What's up everybody, it's Josh from Blackout. It is Wednesday, so it's time to show you what's going on here at Blackout. So behind me we've got a Ford Focus RS, and that is in for heated seats. So we've got the seats out of the car, and Frank is putting in the seat pads for that. How's that going, Frank?
Pretty good, getting the seats apart right now.
Good. Aaron's wiring those seats. Got the GTC4 Lusso Ferrari. We're almost done with this one finally. We've got just the rear fender on the passenger side to do, and then it is getting ceramic coated probably tomorrow or the next day. Right behind John here, we've got an F-150. This one was here for paint protection film on the upper and lower bumper, and then a polish and CeramicPro sport coating that Marshall did. We've got a Lexus Nx F Sport, and this one's here for a paint correction and silver package. The paint was swirled up pretty bad on that. Jimmy's doing a good job getting it polished out to look like a mirror before we coat it, so that's getting 2 coats of CeramicPro. Then we've got a Mercedes-Benz Cla 250. Patrick has been working on that the last couple of days, polishing out the paint after we did a full front end. So the hood, fenders, and front bumper are protected with XPEL, as well as the rocker panels the whole way back the car and the mirrors. We've got a Toyota Tundra. Patrick? What package did that get?
Gold package.
That's a gold package. All right, that's getting a gold package. It's in the middle of that. Patrick is also working on that one. Then we've got in the detail bay today a Honda Passport. This is a customer we do something for every year. We go pick his car up and deliver it to him at the end of the day. He got a new car. This is the first time we've seen the Passport. So it's a cool color, cool green color. Matt, how's that coming? It's coming good. All right. Marshall's ceramic coating wheels all day, right? Did a set earlier today.
My second set.
Set of chrome ones, and we've got another set here from a truck. We're glad to have Marshall back. He got the flu from SEMA. He was out of commission last week, so we're happy he's back with us. Out front, we've got a Cts-V. This customer picked up his Audi. We did a bunch of paint protection film on it and a ceramic coating. Was back for a 2-year checkup. Dropped off the Cts-V for another ceramic coating. I always love these cars. The coupes are very cool. Then we've got a Challenger wide body. This is the 392 Scat Pack, I guess. It's here for window tint, also for some stripes and ceramic coating. We're just waiting on some stuff to come back for the stripes before we can put those on. So, and we're back in the parking lot. We've got a bunch of stuff here back here today. So we've got a couple of 4Runners from Toyota dealerships. Those got remote starts. We had a Tacoma here. That must have left. That got a remote start and a tonneau cover install. What else do we have? We've got a truck from Mr. Barbish again. This is, I think, the newest addition to his fleet. If you need any excavation, property maintenance stuff, all of that, Barbish Incorporated. That one got the front windows tinted as well as a visor and a detail, and we did the pillars. So if you have a Ford truck, you probably know that these pillars, they get beat up very, very quickly. They're a weird material. It's like a black plastic. It's not really paint, clear coat. So those look like garbage pretty much right from the factory. We put paint protection film over top of that. It hides a lot of that and also prevents it from happening in the future. So Ed always gets that done on all of his Fords as soon as he gets them. Got a GMC Yukon here. This was here for a yearly inspection. I believe that was a 1 year. And then we have a Toyota Tundra. This is here for a XPEL Fusion ceramic coating. Got a BMW SUV. That one was here to get cleaned up a little bit, so we did a full interior and exterior detail on that. It's just waiting to get picked up. And then we have a GLS. This is straight from the dealership. We're doing some vinyl wrap accents on this car, so some interior pieces. We're changing it from a wood grain to a brushed aluminum look. And then we've got Kevin's Corvette. This is a car that was here a couple weeks ago. It was on What's in the Shop Wednesday before. We did paint protection film on the front end and I believe on the rockers, as well as a ceramic coating. It was here for its 2-week wash. So anytime you get a car ceramic coated with us, we wash it for free 2 weeks after the car is coated. What that means is it gives the coating time to cure before the first wash, and it gives us a chance to make sure everything's performing the way that it should. This is a good friend of ours. His name is Bill. We call him Wheelie. He's a glass guy, does a lot of commercial glass installs, but this has paint protection film on the whole front end. It's here today for a detail. He rides a lot, so he gets a lot of bugs and things, and he's getting it cleaned up before putting it into storage for the winter. And we're gonna head out into the showroom. We have a special surprise. We don't have a car here, but we do have Mr. Michael Dobbins from XPEL Corporate. It's not why he's here. He's a very good friend of ours, and he's on vacation, so we're not gonna bother him. Hi, Michael. How's it going?
Hi. Well, what's up? Good to see you. Check out the XPEL.
We gotta leave him alone, he's on vacation. So in the tint bay, we've got Kevin's BMW X5M. So Kevin also has an M5, a Porsche 911. We've done a lot of work on a lot of cars for him. But the X5 is here today to get paint protection film above the windshield, between the windshield and the sunroof. So there's just like an 8-inch strip that tends to take a beating from driving around, and we got that taken care of. This car is super clean. It's a 2010, I believe, and in really, really good shape. So that's it for what's in the shop today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with what's going on here at Blackout.